Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode we will be making a small turf for a lawn with the help of sedums. So for this I will be taking a small terracotta pot like this, and you can use the shallowest pot for this since the root system of the Angelina sedum is not very deep and it can grow even with little soil medium. So first, I start off by adding some broken crocks to cover the hole like this, and for the potting mix, I will be using 50% sand, 40% compost, and towards the end, around 10% red soil, and I would tap the potting medium like this. Make sure the potting medium almost reaches the rim of the container to get that lawn look. Now for the propagation of sedum, it is very simple. Just take a small cutting of the plant like this, take out some of the lower leaves till a part of the stem is exposed. Then add the plant into the soil medium like this. The plant just has to maintain contact with the soil. You don't need to grow it deep in the soil. Don't throw away the leaves, add them back into the soil like this and they will root up also. Now add water to the arrangement and keep it in a shaded area that probably gets the morning sun. In just a month and a half you could see good growth, and in 2 months the pot will be brimming with sedum. To get a more bushier look, you can trim off these side growths so that the plant grows bushier on the top. Be careful while trimming, the plant bruises really badly and you can see some browning if pruning is not done properly. The lemon coral and the Angelina look more or less the same. The Angelina looks more greener compared to the lemon yellow color of the lemon coral. And the Angelina is a tough sedum that is quite vigorous compared to the lazy lemon coral that is a little difficult to grow. You can fertilize this with some compost once every 6 or 9 months even, because this likes poor soil. Keep it in a sunny location that is not under full sun. Water every day during summer and once the soil dries during winters. Overwatering can kill it, so be careful. So I have replicated this sedum turf in this small container. You can go large scale with this by using it as a ground cover in your garden, if you have a larger space, especially in shady areas. Just make sure you don't walk over them like normal grass turf, they will not like it at all. In warmer climates, this looks evergreen, and in colder climates, the color could change to orange or burgundy depending on the weather. They are known to produce small blooms in summer, but I have never seen one so far, or maybe I missed seeing it, I don't know. So folks, this can be a quick DIY project for you, and you can also replicate this in your garden and share your pics on Instagram with the hashtag USB Sedum Turf, and I will showcase them on my Instagram account. So with this, we have come to the end of this short and hopefully sweet video. If you like this episode, then please like, share and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook, the links are given below. So thank you for watching, and until we meet again, a very warm goodbye.